Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are fit and fine. Let's start introduction of the chapter The World in My Home and chapter number 22. Let's have an introduction of our chapter Tug of War. Marita's family always quarrel over watching television. Her brother likes to watch cricket. Susan watches songs. Mummy likes to watch news while Auntie watches serials. Marita likes to watch cartoon and Dad likes football matches. Daddy says that he can watch TV only in the evening. Finally, everyone had to watch football match. So this tug of war happens always in their family. Tug of war. Children, see this picture. Here few children are playing the game tug of war. This is a team game. It can be played in open area. Tug of war athletic contest between two teams at the opposite end of a rope. Each team trying to drag the other across a center of a line. So, children, look at this picture. In this picture, few children are playing tug of war. Now some questions. In your home too, do people quarrel over fan, TV, newspaper, game or anything else? Yes, we quarrel over TV program and magazine, etc. In your home, who settles such quarrels? Our elder settles. Children, most of the quarrel are settled by elders at home. Why the difference? Is there different rule for boys and girls? So, this is Pratibha. At 7 o'clock evening, her brother are allowed to play outside. But she has to go home early. Otherwise, parents will scold her. Pratibha says this is wrong. Boys and girls are the same. They should have the same set of rules. Pillow Auntie. Pillow Auntie took Pali, Naju and their friends to beach. They played on the beach, went for a ride on the gained wheel. They ate bhelpuri, enjoyed ice cold coffee. Kulfi seller made a mistake in charging money. He took money only for 5 kulfis instead of 7. But Pillow Auntie was honest. She called the kulfi seller and paid the remaining money. Children, see this picture. In this picture you see gained wheel and yummy bhelpuri and an ice cream which is called kulfi. So, we understood that from this paragraph that we should be honest. So, Pillow and Auntie was an honest lady. Now answer this question. What would the children have thought if Pillow Auntie had paid less money to the kulfi seller? What would you think about this? Children would have think that Pillow Auntie is dishonest. All people are some irrespective of color, creed and caste. Treat everyone in the same manner. In olden times, people used to be differentiated based on caste. It is bad. So from this paragraph, we understood about the discrimination among people. Akshay and Anil are friends. Akshay's grandmother likes Anil, but she always tells Akshay that he should never eat or drink at Anil's house. One day there was a match in ground near Anil's house. It was hot day and everybody was thirsty. Anil invites everybody home and gave water to all. When Anil handed Akshay a glass of water, he suddenly remembered his grandmother's warning. Akshay stared at Anil, not knowing what to do. So, in this paragraph, we understood about caste discrimination. So, we should not do caste discrimination among people. Think and tell. Why was Akshay confused? If Akshay was confused because if he follows his grandmother's advice, he could not satisfy his thirst. What do you think Akshay will do? He will drink water. Who will decide? Dhondu belongs to a large family. His elder uncle is head of the family. He decided all matters for the family. Dhondu always worked in field, but now he wants to do something different and earn more money. So he would like to take a loan from a bank and buy a chakki machine to grind grains. His father agreed with his new plan, but his uncle is not agreeing to this. So this is a story of Dhondu. Dhondu belongs to a large family and his elder uncle is the head of a family. So in every matters, elder uncle decides. So Dhondu always worked in field, but now he want to do something different. I don't like it. Meena and Ritu were going home after playing. Meena asked Ritu to come to her house. Pulling by hand, Ritu said, I will not come to your home if your uncle is there. Meena said, why do you say that? Uncle likes Ritu, said, I am scared of your uncle. I don't like it when even touches my hand. Ritu pulled her hand away from Meena and went home. In this paragraph, we understood about good touch and bad touch. What else can be done when such thing happen? We should discuss it with our parents, teachers, or elders in our family. Thank you.